Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at EVFX. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. EVFX is a London-based FCA-regulated Forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2011, and its trading name is short for Electronic and Voice Foreign Exchange Ltd. They offer accounts for beginners, retail traders and corporate clients, and their accounts can be connected to more than 10 trading platforms. EVFX is a popular choice for stock traders, commodity traders and forex traders, and they also offer a variety of indices. EVFX offers a minimalistic website with a detailed product guide. Their landing page gives a brief history of the company, and you can find legal documentation and account application forms under the Accounts section. The menu bar unfortunately does not provide any information about their platforms, resources or trading tools, but we do believe that they use a unique company model that gives you access to hundreds of different tools and features through all the platforms you can use as a client. EVFX currently offers around 90 currency pairs with tight spreads. You can find out more about the instruments they offer by visiting the product guide page. There is also a selection of indices and stock CFDs you can trade, and approximately 20 commodities. You can reach the EVFX customer support team via email or telephonically, and you can find their contact details by clicking on the Contact tab. There are dedicated emails that you can use for operations, compliance and general inquiries. And the trading desk has a direct telephone number as well as a designated email address. You can also submit a web ticket and request a callback directly from the website. EVFX is a unique broker in the sense that your account can be connected to a variety of ECN platforms for over-the-counter trading, such as Currenex, Hotspot Fastmatch, and FXSpotStream. Some of the other platforms you can use include Integral, FXall, Digitalvega, solidFX, Fidessa and Ice. These platforms offer a wide range of charting tools, drawing tools, technical indicators, and all the tools and features you would need to get the most out of your trades and manage your risks with confidence. With EVFX, you get to choose the platform that works the best for you and the instruments you are trading, and you are not limited to using only one or two platforms. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with EVFX. Most traders open an individual account or an introducer account. However, if you're a high net worth or institutional client, you can open a corporate account. Very little account information is currently available on the EVFX website, which makes it difficult to know exactly what type of account suits your trading needs. But we can give you a basic overview of EVFX's accounts, and you can view their spreads and fees by checking out their detailed product guide. The minimum deposit required to trade with EVFX is $500 US, and you can fund your account with several currencies, including pounds, euros, US dollars, and Swiss francs. But we have reasons to believe that you could potentially fund your account in any base currency because there is an input field on the application form that allows you to type in your preferred currency. Despite the limited information provided on their website about their accounts and trading conditions, the product guide indicates that they offer tight spreads, and there are more than 90 tradable currency pairs and dozens of stocks, commodities and indices. EVFX does not charge any deposit or withdrawal fees, and you can use a variety of secure payment methods, including bank wire, Skrill and Visa. Individual account holders can apply for a professional account, and we recommend opening this type of account if you have traded more than $100,000 at an average frequency of 10 trades per quarter over the last 4 quarters. or if your investment portfolio exceeds a total value of $500,000. As an EVFX client, you will be able to leverage your trades by up to 30 times, and you will have access to plenty of tools and platforms. Creating an account with EVFX may take up to 24 hours, depending on the type of account you open. But the account creation process is straightforward, and you can contact their customer support team if you have any questions about your account. Firstly, launch the EVFX homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Complete the online application form. Note that you will immediately be required to submit your identification documents, banking details, and other supporting documents. But they are FCA regulated, and you won't have to worry about submitting documents later. Next, verify your account and email address, and once your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. Once your account has been set up and approved, you can fund your account and simply start trading. Overall, by opening an account with EVFX, you will have access to more tools and platforms than you will with any other broker, because many brokers support only MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So if you've been trading for a while and you're interested in trying something different and to experiment with some new platforms, then we recommend opening an account with EVFX. We recommend EVFX for corporate clients and professional traders who are seeking a regulated broker that offers a wide variety of currency pairs and trading tools. What we like most about EVFX is their unique trading model, which gives clients access to more than a dozen innovative ECN trading platforms. If you are interested, be sure to open your EVFX account today to try it out for yourself. And that is our overview of EVFX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.